Hey Justin, I found my letter box, the letter P.
Oh, that's great, Penny. Because your name starts with the letter P.
That's right, which means I'll be in this box for the train.
Great. Perfect. Oh boy. Our train is getting longer and longer.
And now we're up to the letters Q and R. Quilt starts with the letter Q, and rainbow starts with the letter R.
Oh good. Great job, guys.
And we found the S box for a spot.
And a T box for me.
And an umbrella for the U box.
Wow. These are some great things you guys found. Excellent job.
Thanks. Just a few more letters left, and the train will be finished.
Then we better start looking for items too.
That's right. We need to find some items for the V, W, and X box. And I know where we can find some. Follow me. Alalalal.
Kipper just skidooed into that magnet board. Let's go, Kipper skidoo. Here we come. Wow. Look how all these letters make words. Let's find a word that starts with the letter V, for the V box.